So I saw your question asking about the difference between this number and this number. And again, this one and this one. Noticed here you have the I attached to the minus 0.34I, and here you do not have the I attached. Well, so we want to compare this and this. Well, if these two both have an I, you could actually combine these, and so this sum would be 0.33I. And again, if both of these have an I, then you would want to combine these, and there'd be a minus. Should be a minus there, 1.01I. Over here, the terms do not both have an I, so that this is called the real part of a complex number, and this is called the imaginary part. And so this would be the final answer. And so, 0.33I is different than this. I hope this helps.